Welcome to a new NUCIDA video about the latest AskUI Studio development. Experience a quantum leap in efficiency with our latest update. The AskUI Studio OCR model has undergone a revolutionary transformation, now boasting an impressive speed improvement. Say goodbye to sluggish text recognition and hello to streamlined productivity. Witness a remarkable shift in performance as we've slashed text recognition time from 1.62 seconds down to an incredible 1.26 seconds. This significant enhancement ensures lightning-fast results, empowering you to breeze through tasks with unprecedented speed and agility. While speed is essential, accuracy remains paramount. Fear not, as our optimized OCR model doesn't compromise on precision. You can trust AskUI Studio to maintain high accuracy levels, ensuring your critical data is captured flawlessly. To complement this groundbreaking update, we're diligently working on comprehensive documentation for our enhanced OCR model. But here's the exciting part. We want your input. Your feedback is invaluable to us, and we want to tailor our documentation to meet your specific needs and expectations. We invite you to share your thoughts and suggestions on what aspects or features you'd like to see covered in our documentation. Your insights will play a crucial role in shaping an informative and user-friendly resource that aligns seamlessly with your workflow. Have specific use cases, scenarios, or functionalities in mind? Let us know. Your input will ensure that our documentation becomes an indispensable tool for you and your team. Upgrade to the enhanced AskUI Studio OCR model today and revolutionize the way you handle text recognition. Faster, more accurate, and with documentation tailored to your needs, we're committed to empowering your success. Don't miss out on the future of OCR technology. Elevate your workflow with AskUI Studio today. Happy testing. See you again next time.